Hello guys, welcome to Thunder's English page. This is Lokesh Sharma before you all once again. Today we will discuss another topic for banking as well as for SSC. But before I start, I wish to tell you IBPS has released a notification about banking PO for 21-22 posts. So you have to be aware of that. 28th August is the last date. I hope you must have gone through the notification. If you haven't, so you should, because it is very important to read notification, because every 2 year, within 3 years, IBPS keeps on changing some kind of situations, rules or patterns. So you all must go through that. So our today's topic is nothing but close test. So what exactly the close test is, we have to be aware of this. If you are not aware of this, so you'll come to know till the end of this video. So first of all, understand close. What exactly the close is? Close is nothing but a logic. If I tell you, a guest comes to your house and asks for water, what will you do? Will you give a bucket of water or a glass of water? Obviously a glass of water, because it is a situation, because the guest is thirsty. But in case you give bucket in that situation, that's not going to be worthy. So that kind of be some kind of illogical situation. So what you did, you just gave a glass of water because the situation was asking for the same. On the other hand, when it comes to close test, you must be given a sentence or a paragraph in which there will be some kind of blanks. You can be given some kind of words or phrases or maybe sentences to fill in the blanks. So what you have to do, you just have to go through the paragraph carefully, then find the logic and situation, then you can choose the correct option from the given options, right? So to understand the situation, to understand close test, very simply, let us take an example. So read the sentence. The boy waved his hand saying blank to his mom. If you read the sentence, you must have to fill the sentence, but you don't have option. If I tell you to fill the sentence, to fill the gap using your knowledge, what will you do? You must fill goodbye, good night, bye, because the situation is of waving the hand. But yes, but what if I give you some kind of options like good night, goodbye, good day, good morning? So in that situation, what you can do is you are waving your hand. And when we wave our hands, so it can be the situation of goodbye or good day, because in the morning we don't wave our hand, at night we don't wave our hand. So these are the different situations. So what we did, we used logic, and according to the logic we eliminated two options. First one is good night and second one is good morning. Rest two, goodbye and good day, still remains the same. So you have to take the logic. But how can I take the logic further to eliminate one of these two remaining? So let's face another sentence. And boarded the school bus. Let's read it once again. The boy waved his hand saying blank to his mom and boarded the school bus. Now, what you have to look at it, the boy is boarding the school bus. That means the boy is going somewhere. And when we go somewhere, we just wish that person bye, good day or goodbye. But the situation is of the boy who is just saying to his mom that he is going to school. In that situation, the boy can't say goodbye because he will have to come in the evening. So our option number B gets eliminated and the remaining one, good day, remains there. So our answer would be nothing but C. So this is our right answer. So in the same way, what did we have to do for finding the correct answer? So these are the situations, and we have to go through some kind of basic understanding what we have to do, how do we have to deal with the situation of close test and all. So let's look at some rules kind of stuff. First of all, when you face any kind of close test, let me tell you something. There would be a paragraph, as I told you before, and there would be some kind of blanks missing, and you have to fill some words or phrases kind of, that would be in the options over there. So first of all, what you have to do, you just have to go through the passage first without filling any kind of blank, so that you could understand the basic context. And what exactly do you have to focus on is, first one, the story. Story means what is the author or writer is saying and what is the situation. Second thing, you have to judge the tense, whether it is past or the present or the future. Third one, whether it is going negative or positive. Some kind of stuff is like positive and like praising something, and some kind of stuff is all about criticizing someone and all. So you have to focus over it first. Second thing is that, as I told you, grab the type and tense and all. And the third thing is eliminate or selection. Like when you attempt any kind of close test, you have to be aware whether you are comfortable with the closed test or not? If you are not comfortable, you should go with elimination. And what is elimination? As we did before, we just eliminated good night and good morning in the beginning, then after we eliminated goodbye as well. Then we have the remaining option is good day, that we just filled, right? So this is called elimination. And if I talk about selection method, then that means you just read the sentence, you find the correct option at once. This is called selection method. The fourth one is carefully consider those things which come before and after. That means when you read a sentence, look, in the above sentence, the boy waved his hand saying blank to his mom. If I do not read the further sentence, would I be able to fill the correct option? No, because the further information lies in the next sentence. So this you have to keep in mind, the further and the before ones has to be read carefully. This is the basic thing you have to keep in mind, right? Next one is, don't be upset, go with the flow. This is the very important point. When you face any kind of closed test and you don't get the first one or second one and third one, you just get upset. You don't have to get upset, because some kind of answers are the logic which comes just after you read. Okay, so you have to be just calm and you just have to go through the closed test carefully. Your basic target is to read it and fill it, right? Nobody is there who is perfect. Practice makes a man perfect. So you keep on practicing, you must get your target, right? So don't be upset. Next one is, go through newspaper daily, because yes, closed test would be in English, and this is the very important thing. You must be aware of the reading, you must be aware of the logic as well as the story. If you go through the newspaper on daily basis, you must get a lot of stuff in your mind that would help you in the examination, not only in closed test but also in rearrangement of the sentences, in passages as well. A lot of things would be there which would help you solving, I mean newspaper would help you solving these kind of stuff. So you have to be aware of those things, right? Now the next one is, make your vocab part stronger. And how can you do this? How can you make your vocab part stronger? So this is a very important thing, right? So what you have to do, you just have to go through the newspaper, and when you go through the newspaper, you have to just note down the important stuff, right? So these are the things. Let's go further. Judge flow of the sentence. This is also a very important thing. Like you must have read the word conjunction. So when we join two sentences using any conjunction, the conjunction can either join the sentences using positive flow or negative flow. As I am teaching you and I will be teaching you further. This is the positive flow. I am teaching you but I will not teach you passages. This is the negative flow. So you have to consider these flows so that you could understand whether the upcoming sentence or upcoming blank would be positively filled or negatively filled. So you have to be very meticulous about the situation. So let us go further and let us know what exactly the closed test is and how to solve it. So before I start, I have a lot of rules and situations. If you are not aware of these rules, you must face a bit of like fussy situation, but don't worry about it. I must tell you all these stuffs and all in detail once I get the video completed. But let's face a closed test. Look, this is a closed test. If I go through this, given that blank of black money in the economy is large, even though declining, and that a large part of these transactions take place in cash. I mean, the topic and the context is talking about some kind of money and black money stuff. So you have to be just aware of this stuff. And if you go further, you have to connect the sentences using your common sense, right? So let's read it once again. Given the blank of black money in the economy is large, even though declining, and that a large part of these transactions take place in cash, it is natural the government would want to find ways to deal with this. Full stop. The finance secretary, for instance, has said that one of the blank being considered is that no one paying a bill of more than rupees 5,000 in a restaurant should be allowed to do so in cash. Once amount is paid by cash, credit and debit card, it automatically leaves a trail for the taxman to blank, since bank accounts have PAN card details, right? So, and at some point, presumably, the same principle needs to be extended to luxury boutiques, shops and showrooms for automobiles, among others. The finance secretary, in fact, has said the government will set up a committee to suggest ways to incentivize credit and debit card transactions. One of them, he said, could be to share the cost of the point of sale device Greater spread of RuPay cards could be another. Blank, their charges are lower. Another suggestion made has been to limit the amount of cash that can be blank while purchasing property. So overall, when we go through the passage or paragraph, what we came to know, it's all about black money. Somebody buy something, or like somebody purchase something, he just pay the amount, he just pay the payment, whatever is there, he just pay using cash, not the card, because when he pays through card, he just leaves a trail, and when he leaves a trail, taxman bole to kind of like your income tax department and indirect direct tax departments would be aware of these things, and they must talk to you about the same, because if you file your ITR, annual income tax return, you must be aware of the thing that the amount you are showing in your ITR should be equal to your transactions as far as ITR and income tax department is concerned. So this all kind of problems arise when you face any kind of situation like black money and all. So income tax department is very aware of black money and all. So you must find ways to deal with the situation, and that department must find ways to deal with the situation. But here we have to solve this close test. So what we got to know, first of all, this is all about black money, and the situation is getting negative further, because they are talking about people are not paying actually tax, not paying tax properly. So in that situation, what we have to do, what government has to do, there is a lot of stress. Second thing is that all the situation is going on in present. You must look at the paragraph, you must find is, have, and has, and most of the times can, and charges, are. This shows that this situation is going on in present. Now what we have to do, we just read it once, now we have to consider the options. Look at the options. Let's go. Given the blank of black money in the economy is large. My sentence is not completed yet, right? Why is it so? Because my sentence says, given the blank of black money in the economy is large, even though declining, here's also a comma, and that a large part of these transactions take place in cash. Here's also a comma. It is natural, the government would want to find ways to deal with the situation. Now, consider the situation, given the blank of black money in the economy is large. Here is our clause. Now, even though declining means black money in the economy is there, and some kind of stuff should be there about black money, even though declining, I mean black money is declining. The author is saying black money is declining, and that a large part of these transactions take place in cash. If you understand the situation, you must know if any transaction gets into cash, that becomes kind of tax free. Nobody actually pays tax over that transaction. Most of the times it happens. That is why people prefer paying in cash, because they don't have to pay tax over cash. But if it comes through credit card, debit kind of stuff, they have to pay tax. So they are paying in cash because they wish to avoid taxes, right? So next, it is natural the government would find ways to deal with with this situation. So government will be interested to find some kind of measure, some kind of solutions for the problem and all. So, but before we have to fill the first blank. Now, given is a kind of word which shows something is considerable, means we assume something. The blank of black money in the economy is large. If you look at this one, first one, here are some options for the first one. Venture. Venture means a task which is risky, right? So risky of black money in the economy is large, or risk of black money. So you must know there is a risk associated with black money. Yes, it is okay. But if you read further, even though declining, I mean, we are telling that person there is no any kind of risk factor, there should be kind of another stuff, right? So the second one is functional. Second one is functional of the black money. If you have heard about noun clause, noun plus preposition plus noun, and functional is an adjective, and we can't put functional here, right? So according to grammar, we can't put functional here. Splits of black money, right? Now we can put splits, but if you have a look of it, this thing is, sorry, if you have a look of it, is, That means here, whatever will be filled here will be singular because verb comes according to the subject, and of subject is singular. That is why here the author is using is. And here splits is plural, right? So we can't put splits here. Now the next one is commission. Commission of black money in the economy is large even though declining. Actually, it can be true, but according to the context, it does not fit in the sentence, because what kind of commission? Let's go further. Share of black money in the economy is large. Yes, it is absolutely correct. Share of black money in the economy is large even though declining. Even the share of black money is declining, and that a large part of these transactions take place in cash. What kind of transaction? Which comprises black money. Those kind of transactions take place in cash. It is natural. The government would want to find ways to deal with this. The finance secretary, for instance, has said that one of the blank being considered. Now look at this. If you write something like one of my friend, right? And can you imagine there would be a friend and you are going to choose one of them? One of one, it is not possible. You have to choose something from a group. So whatever will be filled in the second one would be plural, because here we are using one of something. One of something means here something would be plural that can be filled. So let us eliminate these options, like capacity is singular, can't be used. Measures, yes, it may be possible. Sizes also may be possible. Degrees may be possible. Extreme cannot be there. So we have three options remaining. Two have been eliminated. Now let's go for the logic, right? Finance secretary, for instance, has said, here it is. Finance secretary, for instance, has said that one of blank being considered is that no one paying a bill of more than rupees 5,000 in a restaurant should be allowed to do so in cash. So if you go through the sentence or paragraph properly, as we have gone through already, you must know the situation is getting negative and it is getting problematic. And if we face a problem, right, so what are we gonna wish to find? We are gonna wish to find a solution. So here we have the word sizes, which is not associated with the solution, and degrees is kind of a problem. You may consider the word degree as some kind of step, right? But degree is not actually useful here. Reason being, degrees being considered, one of the degrees, because degrees is kind of a situation in which we just we are talking, degrees is like nothing but a situation in which we consider something as a limit. So here we are not talking about limit. So the last option is nothing but measures. So one of the measures is being considered that no one paying a bill of more than 5,000 a restaurant should be allowed to do so. Now you have to focus something, this should. The subject of this should is nothing but no one, and the remaining part, paying a bill more than and all, this is a qualifier. One day I'll let you know what exactly the qualifiers are. This is very useful when we go through any kind of newspaper and all. This kind of situation, these kind of clauses and all are the part of basic English. So you have to be very aware of these things, whether it is rearrangement of sentence or close test. These are very, very, very important, right? Now let's go further. Once the amount is paid by credit or debit card, it automatically leaves a trail for the taxman to blank, since the bank accounts have PAN card details. That means author is telling bank accounts have PAN card details, and if you are paying through credit or debit card, that means you are leaving a trail. Trail means a kind of stuff that helps taxman to just catch the things which are not good or which are suspected, right? So if you are talking about a taxman would be looking for the taxpayer, and especially those who are not willing to pay tax, right? So here we have options: remedy, conspire, follow, omit, and decide. Now if you know something, you have to understand, if we face two and if there is a verb, that should be in V1, right? So remedy is V1, conspire also in V1, follow is also in V1, this is in V1. All are in V1, so we can't use grammatical aspect here. So what we have to do, we just have to go through the context. Leaves a trail for the taxman. Here, look at this. Leaves a trail for the taxman to, since bank accounts have PAN card details. A trail. Trail is a kind of trail. Trail is a kind of, you may call a line, right? If you face a line of footsteps in a jungle or in a forest, you must follow those footsteps at the same way. On the same way, what taxman does, he faces that trail and follow that trails. Reason being, he has to catch the taxpayer, right? So here we have the word like follow, and this is the correct answer. Now let's go further. At some point, presumably is something which is considered good, which is likely to happen, but may or may not be exact, right? That is presumably. In Hindi, there is also a specific definition. I'll let you know once I once I teach you these kind of stuff in Hindi. The same principle needs to be extended to luxury boutiques, shops and showrooms for automobiles, among others. The finance secretary in fact has said the government will set up a committee to suggest ways to incentivize credit and debit card transactions. One of them, he said, could be to share the cost of point of sale device. Greater spread of RuPay cards could be another. Now, here is a blank. Their charges are lower. What? Now, you have to look at this carefully. One of them, he said, could be share of cost of point of sale device. Greater spread of RuPay cards could be another. That means if you spread RuPay cards, what is RuPay card? When we get ATM cards, that is offered by different kind of companies, RuPay, Maestro, Visa and all. RuPay is an Indian company, right? So if we are using product of Indian company, so there would be charges, and those charges would be minimal than which are from abroad, right? So here the author is telling us their charges are lower. If somebody is promoting RuPay card, that is obvious, their charges would be lower. That is why they are promoting RuPay cards and all. So here we have to consider this term given. As I told you in the beginning, given means something which is considered already, which is good, right? So we have to fill given. Why not considerate? Considerate is a verb, and here we have to use kind of participle. What is participle? I'll let you know in the further videos and all. Suspicious is plural, can't be. Inclined. Inclined is something which is like supporting something, and supporting their charges are lower. Sense is senseless actually. Foremost is very important. Important, their charges are lower. Important fits here, but not fully, because important needs some kind of words along with them so that it could be sensible enough, right? Another suggestions made has been to limit the amount of cash that can be blank while purchasing property. Look, if you purchase any kind of property, what are you going to do? You're going to pay or charge some cash, right? Here we have the word charged, right? Now, before we fill, we have to consider this be. I have to tell you, when we use be and we use verb just after it, that verb should be in V3 form because it is passive. As you say, it can be done. So here done is V3, same as that we have to use V3. So we have to first of all eliminate the options. Reimburse can't be possible, loan can't be possible, raised can be, paid can be, and charged can be. Now we have to eliminate two of the given three. Look, the amount of cash that can be blank while purchasing property. When you purchase something, you just pay for that. Charge is when you purchase any kind of service. So here we have to use pay. So this is the situation. With this logic, or with the help of your basic rules, basic formation, basic understanding, you can solve closed test. That is very easy. But before I end this video, I have to tell you, practice makes a man perfect. Keep doing practice again and again and again. There would be a day when you will be able to attempt 10 out of 10 questions and all would be correct. I assure you this. So with this feeling, you just put your heart in your preparation and do whatever is good for you. Wish you all the best. Thank you, everyone.